students, today we will study about the most important topic of an operating system is deadlock. As we know that we have different processes, for example P1, P2, P3, and all these processes need some resource to complete its execution. However, the resources is granted in a sequential order. So what are these? The process first, the process requests for some resource. Operating system grant or gives the resource if it is available, otherwise the process waits. Point number third, the process uses the resource and release on the completion. So a deadlock, we can say that a deadlock is a situation where each of the computer process waits for a resource which is being assigned to some another process. In this situation, none of the process get executed. For example, we have a process P1 acquired a resource R1, we have a process P2 acquired a resource R2, we have a process P3 acquired a resource R3. Now the P1 is waiting for P3 to release a resource R3, P3 is waiting for a P2 to resource release R2, and P2 is waiting for a P1 to release a resource. This is the deadlock condition. Here never the process get executed. So let us understand these two conditions. One is deadlock and the other one is, so these two conditions looks like similar but have a lot of differences between these two. So what are the differences? Now deadlock is a condition where no process got blocked and no process proceeds. Starvation is a situation where low priority process got blocked and high priority processes proceeds. Second one is deadlock is an infinite waiting. Every process wait for a resource. In starvation is a long waiting, but not an infinite one. We can say that every deadlock is always a starvation, but every starvation need not to be a deadlock. In deadlock condition, the requested resource is blocked by the other process, but in starvation the in starvation the requested resource is continuously be used by the higher priority processes. Now, the deadlock happens when mutex, that is known as mutual exclusion, hold, wait, no preemption, circular wait occur simultaneously, and starvation occurs due to the uncontrolled priority and resource management. Thank you very much.